Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix iMessage activation, or if you want to try to activate the iMessage and it is not working. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to general. And after that, what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer reset iPhone. So here you have to simply reset all of your network setting. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go back, and this time you have to make sure that you have login into your Apple ID and it is working properly. And after that, the next thing you have to do is you have to simply check whether your iMessage is working on your iPhone or not. If it is not working and need verification or activation, then you have to simply go to settings, and after that, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of apps. So here you have to simply scroll it down until you find the option of apps related to messages. So you have to simply click on that. And after that, what you have to do, you have to make sure that this toggle is turned on. And if it is turned on, then you have to simply make sure that you have turned it off again. And after that, if you see this kind of toggle is turned off, then your iMessage will not be activated. So here you have to simply make sure that you have turned on this toggle, and after turning off and turning on, you have to make sure that it is activated. So in this way, you can simply activate your iMessage, and if it is not activated, then you have to simply close this page, and after that, you have to simply connect to the Apple Store and ask for the solution of the problem. So after that, they will connect to you and solve the problem for you as soon as possible. So hope you have liked this video. If you get